In this video, I'll show you how you can connect LinkedIn to n8n. So it's very simple, just follow my steps. So first step is to create step in n8n. So click on this plus button and in the search bar type LinkedIn and choose it. Then from here you have this action. So you can create a post. So select it. And then from here click on select a credential. Then click on create a new credential. And from here you have two options how you can connect it. So there is this standard method, which is recommended, and community management. So I'm going to choose this standard. Then click on connect my account. This will open new window where you need to sign in to your LinkedIn account. Then from here you need to allow this authorization. So as you can see, n8n Cloud would like to create, modify, and delete posts, comments, and reactions on your organization's behalf. So make sure to click on allow. And as you can see, connection successful. So account connected. Now we can close this. And that's it. That's how you can connect LinkedIn to n8n. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.